Hey there, Jimmy again, and today we're going to the Wayback Machine. This is really neat. This takes me all the way back to high school. But first, if you like what you've been watching, please do subscribe, hit the notify button so you'll be notified when I do a new video, and hopefully you'll like it enough to hit the like button. So, check this out, a 1987 Hyundai Excel GLS. I was in the middle of high school when these debuted in early 86 or late 85? These were one of the cheapest cars in America. The only thing cheaper was the Yugo. But this was cheap, and there started being a ton of them in my high school parking lot. And everyone kind of gave them the side eye, because Hyundai, is that really gonna work? I don't know if they're gonna last. Are they garbage? Are they not? Are they good value? Who knows? Well, the Yugo ended up being garbage. But, well, it wasn't actually, for people who knew what they were doing and familiar with the Fiats. But the Hyundai, the first generation Excel, wasn't great, but it wasn't terrible either. And it's basically badge engineered, Mitsubishi underneath. Mitsubishi sold their own version as the Prius, which was kind of interesting a couple years later. But this is, well, like I said, it's an 87, so it's slightly facelifted from the original one, I believe. But still basically the same. Let's check it out. Styling was by Giugiaro from Ital Design. So this looks very similar to the Mazda 323 of the time, the Isuzu iMark, and a couple other things that I believe he had a hand in designing or just kind of recycled his design. This being the GLS, got the flush headlights, which is nice. They're actually glass, so that doesn't suck. Like that. You've got the grille, which really faded. I want to say this is dark gray originally. Hyundai logo still on there, so any manufacturer that can keep their logo on the car, that's not bad. Although the side marker light's falling apart, we won't talk about that. This one's obviously in white. It's got a little racy pinstripe. It says Hyundai right there, in case you didn't know. We'll come around the back and check this out. These were available in a hatchback. You get a 3-door hatchback, a 5-door hatchback, or the 4-door sedan. And this is the 4-door sedan, obviously. So once again, another Hyundai call out. Got the latch here, which turned, then Excel, and then that's where GLS was. So I think someone took that. So we won't look at the little bumper stickers there. Let's do the thumb. But yeah, whatever. But this is, it's neat. This is a little slice of history. You really do not see these. Actually, you don't see them this decade. Don't really see them the last decade. Didn't really see them the decade before that. It kind of seemed like these were all gone sometime in the late 90s, I think. But every once in a while, one still pops up. So it's not, it's not attractive. For the price, it was good. This one actually was well taken care of. It's got Goodyear tires on it. Got the Hyundai metal hubcaps. This, what size tire is this? Ooh, and how old is this? Look at this. So this thing is from the 25th week of 2002. So that's definitely some old tires. And it's a 155/80 R13, another size that is probably very difficult to get these days. But the GLS came with mud flaps, Hyundai branded. Gotta like that. Keeps the rust monster at bay. You've got little fancy red stripes here, like a GTI or the Thunderbird Turbo Coupe or whatever else. Chrome door handles. Mirror on this side, which you didn't always get on an import. Antenna was there rather than in the pillar where I like to see them, but whatever. More mud flaps on the front. A little dent here, which may have happened in the yard. Not sure. I don't know why this car is here, but let's take a look under the hood. These came with a 1.5 liter. Oh, the grill just came off. It was actually off. I won't lie. I just popped it back in for the video. It was laying on top of the car. It's a 1.5 liter. Front engine, front wheel drive, transverse. This is Hyundai's first front wheel drive car. They had the Pony, which was never sold in the US, but was sold in Canada. But this was, the Excel was obviously the first Hyundai sold in the US, and also Hyundai's first front wheel drive car. So, made in Korea. This produced, 66 horsepower, which seems awfully feeble. Kind of is feeble, but worked. But hey, the hood opens the racy way. I like that. That is pretty cool. That's not common with BMWs, Jaguars, some Buicks. That's not bad. I like that. So, but look at that engine. That's complete. I guess no one's going to be taking parts off that, or there might be one other Hyundai Excel here in the Denver area, I'm guessing. And if it's still running, it probably doesn't even need parts. So there it is. But well, here's what it looks like without the grill, obviously. So let's just put the grill back on there so that somebody else can take it if they want it. Let's see. Let's take a look. Well, see, we got big glass area. This one's been, looks like it was broken into at one point, so someone kind of did a little emergency repair. Who knows how long ago. Check this out. He had velour on the door panels. I don't know why this is blue. That's weird. It wasn't that way originally. You've got velour on the seats, which are in decent shape. I mean, there's old. Red throughout, like a bordello. I like that. My theory is that the red cars that have red inside always seem to be in the best shape. I don't know why that is, but we've got a little 2-spoke steering wheel. Hyundai. Beep beep. We've got these gauge pods on the side. A few other cars did that, such as the Isuzu iMark and some French cars. Always works well. But defroster button here, AC button, I guess, over here, and the other buttons are just blanks. Weird. Headlight switch, remote trunk release, I like that. Hood popper, vents. Let's look at the gauges. So you've got a, what, 5,700 RPM red line. You've got one of those warning things in the middle that tells you if something's open or ajar. Oh my God, check out the miles. So this thing only has, can you read that? It says 0,24927.1. So 24,000, almost 25,000 miles from new. That's wild. So this was most likely a one-owner car. Someone's grandma. Had the automatic, which, was that available in the other one? I think it may have just been available in the GLS, like this one. More vents, obviously HVAC with a nice old school sliders. AC's up there, like we said. These are nice radios. The Hyundai of the day. I actually bought one of these from some dude in Southern California, and I'm pretty sure he stole it from somewhere, from a Hyundai. I had this installed in my Mazda or something that I had around the same time, but this is fantastic. Made by Panasonic. It's definitely high quality radio. I absolutely love that thing. It was nice. So good to see it in here. But oh man, the dash is not cracked. It's not faded. Looks good. Glove box there. Little shelf there for stuff. And down here, what's this Hyundai? I guess, is it a, oh yeah, clock, hours, minutes, reset and display. That's nice. That's a rare beast. A little center console there. And then 3-speed automatic, like we said. That's not bad. The seats are comfy. So I've got all the little adjusters here, front to back, backrest, up the cushion height. Manufactured in Korea by Hyundai Motor on, oh, gives us the date, 1986, September 10th. Unless it's the other way around, unless it's October 9th. Anyway, late 1986, so very cool. I like that. And let's see, let's check out the back seat. Oh, look at that. It's pretty roomy, actually. I mean, this seat's not all the way in, but heck, for the day. Like everyone back then got their own ashtray. No headrests, no head restraints for the backseat passengers, but you did have a high magnetic brake light, as per since 1986, and rear speakers. Headliner's in pretty good shape. It's kind of it's like a woven material. It actually feels pretty nice. It's padded and soft. You've got grab handles on 3 positions. I guess the driver's supposed to keep his hands on the wheel, his or her hands on the wheel, which is very sensible. Locking gas cap door. And yeah, that is the 1987 Hyundai Excel. So that's neat. I don't know if we'll ever see another one of these on this series. I don't know if you'll ever see another one on the street, for that matter. But you will see more videos from me. So if you liked what you saw, please do hit subscribe and the notify button. Hit the like button, which is always good. And we'll keep making more of these. So thank you very much. I appreciate you coming with me. Bye.